Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Have you ever wondered how pro traders see what is happening inside the market in real time? Well, the secret is footprint charts. It's actually one of the most powerful tools for analyzing order flow, volume, and price action. So if you want to trade like the pros, and truly understand who is in control, whether it's buyers or sellers, then stick around because in this video, we're just going to be breaking down everything you need to know about footprint charts. Okay. All right. So I'm just looking for a very good footprint chart to add to our chart here. All right. So I welcome you once again to the Forex Geek channel. If you're serious about improving your trading game, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more expert trading strategies. So we're just going to be diving into footprint charts as I already mentioned, and it's a tool that can change the way you trade, the way you see the market and all of that. So let's just quickly get started. First of all, I believe you want to understand what footprint charts are to start with. So unlike traditional candlestick charts that only show price movements, footprint charts give you deep insight into the actual market orders that are happening at each price level. All right. So they show you the volume traded. You can see here, up here, we can see buy volume, you can see sell volume, you can see total volume, you can see average volume. So they show you the volume traded and in real time, so you can see who is aggressively buying and selling at key levels. Okay, now to understand how footprint charts work, let us break it down. If you have a bid or ask footprint, it is a chart that shows the actual volume traded at the bid price and the ask price at each level. All right. So that helps you to identify strong buying or selling pressure. Then if you have a delta footprint, let's just see if we can find this specific footprints here. All right. Let's check if we have a delta footprint. Okay. If you have a delta footprint, that one highlights the difference between aggressive buyers and sellers, showing whether buyers or sellers are dominating. Then for volume footprint actually focuses purely on the total volume traded. So you can say that this particular indicator right here on our chart is showing us buy volume, showing us sell volume. You can see that it's updating in real time. Buy volume, sell volume, total volume, and average volume. Okay, so it can give you give you insight into where the biggest market participants are placing their orders. Now, why do pro traders use footprint charts? You might be wondering, why do professional traders rely on footprint charts? Well, it's because it helps them identify high probability trade setups. By analyzing order flow, you can spot hidden buying or selling pressure. that is not visible on regular charts. And you can also find key support and resistance zones. You can also find key support and resistance zones, right? Very important zones on your chart, especially the ones where big traders are placing their orders, because by the time you have analyzed the volume and you notice a significant increase in volume around a specific support or maybe a specific resistance, of course, you will know that there is something going on around that particular zone. You know that there is something going on. So it can help you to find key support and resistance zones where big traders are placing their orders, and avoid fake breakouts and market traps by reading actual order flow dynamics. All right. Moreover, it can also help you execute trades with better timing. All right, better timing by waiting for confirmation of strong buying or selling. Okay, so now that you understand what footprint charts are and why they matter, how do you actually use them? So here's just a simple step-by-step process. Okay, the first step is to identify key areas where big volume is being traded. This often signals areas of strong support or resistance. Then the second step is to watch for aggressive buying or selling pressure at these levels. So if you have identified a key resistance, for example, then you watch out for aggressive selling around that key resistance. Watch out for these volumes, the selling volume around that key resistance. If you identify a key support, watch out for aggressive buying. Watch out for buy volume around that key support. If buyers are stepping in at a support, it's a strong sign of a reversal. So hope you understand now. Then the third step is to confirm your trades with delta analysis. If buyers are dominant at a breakout level, it increases the chances of a successful move. Okay, then the fourth step is to use footprint charts in combination with other strategies like price action and market structure to maximize your accuracy. Okay, so basically that is it for the footprint charts. This is a wrap on footprint charts. Now you know exactly how pro traders use this tool to gain an edge in the market. If you found these videos useful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Do you use footprint charts in your trading? Let us talk about it in the comment section. Turn on notifications so you never miss a trading strategy that can help you level up. See you in the next video. Happy trading.